Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Illustrator tutorial, and this one is the creative design type tutorial. So welcoming you for this type of things. So here I used a logo which is Xiaomi, whatever you can tell, and writing something over here, and took icons from here, the symbols, and you'll get this one in by default Illustrator. And I made a shape, and which is the customized shape, and you can download or you can make it out. So today I'll just provide you, or I'll show you this type of design, and I got a stock image from unsplash.com. So let's jump into the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, go to the file and new. Here I will take custom artboard, which is in a pixel format, that is 2560 and 1440. It might be in a print design, that's why I'll just take this one in a CMYK mode. If you need, you can take the bleed or other stuffs. I'm not getting here any bleed, and hit the create button. You'll get a new documentation or document or canvas or artboard, whatever you can tell. So after that, take a shape which is 2560 and 1440, and then just match with the artboard or align with the artboard. Here is a small options: align to the selection, align to the artboard. Just please check it out and align it according to the artboard, and turn off the stroke. Give a color like any kind of color, which is just defining that here is a shape, which is a color. And then go to the file and place embedded. Here I downloaded this one from unsplash.com, the photo, and here I will place it out. Okay, this one is big, too much big, so press the shift button and hold it and just adjust with the artboard. That's good. And then just make selection, this one, select the photo and send back to the layer. After that, select this shape, Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Ctrl C for copy, F for the forward paste, and then just select upper shape and select the image, right press and make clipping mask. Okay, that's good. So after that, just send back this one into the backside layer, and after that, here I'll make the shape like this. Yeah, that's good. And select this shape and choose color. Go to the eye from the keyboard, eye picker, and select color from this. Yeah, that's good. This one is good color. And after that, I'll make this type of shape. How to do that? Here just go to the shape tool or rectangle tool and draw some rectangle little bit like that, and make the color which is white. And then go to the selection tool, press V from the keyboard and Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and then just draw this one and drag this one and like that, and Ctrl C F D, CFD, CFD. So CFD, just repeat that steps and make some same kind of shape in a same distance. Select this all the things, press the shift button and hold it and rotate it like 45 degrees, and then go to the ellipse tool and make a circle like that. Yeah, you can make smaller like that, and then select all the things, right press. Make sure that the shape of the ellipse is upper side of the all line layers. Select all the things, right press and make clipping mask. That's good, you're getting the customized shape. And here another shape which is like that. So how to do that? That's easy. And here the tool, the arc tool, and select here and just draw arc like that. Yeah, that's good. And give the stroke thickness around 2 or 3. That's good. And same process, Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Ctrl C for the copy and F for the forward paste. Take the spacing, or when you are taking the space, just make sure that it's the same space. So just when you are moving this one, Yeah, that's good. Control C, Control F and D. CFD, Control C, Control F and D. Repeat that steps when you are getting the shapes, making more things, and when just you can get a square shape from here. Okay, go to the rectangle tool, make a square shape like that. That's good. And make sure that this one is the upper layer from all the arc layer. Select all the things and right press and make clipping mask. That's good. We got our desired things. Yeah, that's good. And then I'll take this one and rotate this one. Press the shift button and hold it and rotate this one like 45 degree. That's good. And make it a little bit bigger. If you want to get the color change, select here and select here as well and go to the color, and or you can press I and give the color from the eye picker from this image, and here make it smaller like that. So this color and this color is same, that's why I'll give here white color. So same process, select here and make it white. That's good. Take the shape in upper layer. That's good. And now I'll take another like rectangle which is 2560 and 1440. That's good. And then I will make the alignment like that. That's good. Now I'll select this circle and this circle and make it clipping mask. And here I'll take this one in upper side, select this and this only, and this shape and make it clipping mask. That's good. I'll take the upper side, and here the opacity will be down like 85 or 95 degree. That's good. And now time for writing something here and here. So I used here a logo which is the Xiaomi logo. Go to the file and place embedded. You can collect these from the internet and right press and make it smaller like that. That's good. And go to the image trace option and select here the default one. It will take time and just expand that. That means why I just expand this one, just because of the vector form. If you make it vector form, it won't be like faded or pixelite when you are getting in a large print like a billboard or other stuffs. So select this one, delete this portion, just only the logo. Here you are getting here the group format, and I'm just keeping here and select this one and getting here. Now write down something like that. So musics and other stuff. So I took two fonts, so I'm taking this type two fonts for my convenient work. So I'm just taking the text from the text tool and press I from the eye picker and select here. It will get the text like that. So I'm writing down here. That's good. And now I'll keep the logo here. Press Ctrl R for the guideline and take a guideline according to this. That's good. And that's good. So I'll delete this one, and then I just written something here which is like that. I'm copying this one and go to the text tool or type tool and select the area where you want to write down and Ctrl V. So this text or this font here. Don't forget to check out my video description for the font and resource download link. I'll provide that things to you. Now time for adding the icons. So how to add the icons? Here I'm going to the symbols. If you want to get the symbols over here, go to the window and you will get to the here the symbols and other stuff here, or shift Ctrl or command F11, you will get the things. So I took this one, play one, drag it and drop here, drop to your artboard, you will get that. So this one and this one as well. So that's good. Here I'll copy this one and right press and transform and reflect this one, vertical reflection, and hit OK. So I'll take all the things, actually the icons only here. Go to the align tool. If you want to get the align tool, over here, window and alignment. So go to the upper side, yeah, shift F7, you'll get that. So select the icons and take this icon in a lower side, otherwise it will be overlapped with the text area. So select all the things and make it like that. And here if you just select over, you'll get this one, and make it selection, align, and just alignment like that. So I'll make it a little bit bigger like this, and I'll take this one actually here, here and here. So I'll take this one in a closure, so I'll align them in a closure portion, and it will help you out to make this one like that. And that's good. And now I'll make the things like that. So how to do that? Right press and break the link of the symbol, and then ungroup that things, and I'll delete those things here, actually this portion, ungroup that and delete this area and this area, and make the color that is white, and this one is as well as white color. Okay, that's good. And same process, break the link and I from here. So that's good. So you can group them up individually. It will help you out to separate from each other. Okay, that's good. Select again and make the selection, and make the selection and alignment like that, and Ctrl G, and select this music text and make it like in a middle. So that's good. And this thing, make it a little bit smaller, and that's good, in a middle. Press Ctrl G. You can take all the things in one group, and you can make it a little bit smaller, and select this shape, and then you can just place it over. That's fine. You are getting same design, same thing in this portion. So you can make the things or make the icons a little bit bigger. It will be more prominent in your design, and the logo will be more smaller. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, now you are getting the same to same design. So hope that you learn a lot from this video, and you know how to just do that things in a creative way, and how to make the customized shape, and like the shape which is like a line with circle or other stuffs, or these type of things. Hope that you learn a lot from this video, and if you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the resource file download link, please check out my video description. And until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.